Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Create your LastPass account, pick a strong master password, and sign in. Once signed in, install the browser extension and the mobile app and link them to the same account. Next, enable multi-factor authentication. Use an authenticator app or a hardware key to protect your vault. Make sure to save emergency access details somewhere safe. These first steps lock in the security foundation so you can proceed with confidence. Once your account is secure, import existing passwords from your browser or a CSV export and verify each entry for duplicates or errors. Then organize the vault. Create folders, tag items, and set up shared folders for team or family access. Use secure notes for private information like license keys or Wi-Fi passwords. Configure the password generator's rules, length, symbols, and excluded characters so generated passwords meet site requirements. Make sure to audit weak or reused passwords and replace them gradually. To finish, enable autofill and auto-login selectively, only on trusted sites, to speed daily use. Make sure devices sync and back up your Vault recovery key by saving it offline. Test sign-in on a secondary device to confirm everything syncs properly. If you run into problems, first try MFA backup codes or your offline recovery key to regain access. If that fails, gather recovery evidence and contact LastPass support. One troubleshooting tip: check browser extension permissions and clear cache before assuming a Vault sync failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.